The most extreme object in the universe? Most would say a black hole, but they'd be wrong. Meet the neutron star, stranger and more violent. They are born from death. When a massive star runs out of fuel, the outer layers are blasted away in a massive explosion called a supernova. But the core collapses, 1.5 times the mass of our sun, crushed to the size of a city. This creates the densest matter we know. How dense? Take one single teaspoon of neutron star material. It would have the same mass as Mount Everest, 5.5 billion tons. Gravity crushes electrons and protons, creating a solid ball of pure neutrons. When it collapsed, it kept its spin, just like an ice skater. The neutron star spins insanely fast, hundreds of times every second. When these beams sweep past Earth, we call them pulsars, but their speed is nothing compared to their magnetism. This is Earth's magnetic field, and this is a magnetar, the most powerful magnetic field in the universe. It could wipe every credit card on Earth from the distance of the moon. So what happens when two of these monsters collide? You get a kilonova, one of the most violent events possible. In this cosmic forge, almost all the gold and platinum in the universe is made. Denser, faster, more magnetic, and the source of all our gold. The neutron star. Truly the most mind-boggling object. Thanks for watching.